In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to import third-party data into AlignMix. The third-party data is included in your version of AlignMix Pro. It has about 500 different demographic data sets that you can easily import into a blank file or into an existing AlignMix file. In this example, we will be pulling that third-party data into this file here that you see on the screen. So to start, you click on File, and then on Import, and then Import Third-Party Data. From here, you will see the data list, and you simply click this plus button to open up the drop-down list showing all the data sets. And from here, you can select any data set that you want to import into this file. And you can select more than one by simply checking multiple boxes. But for this example, let's just select one data set, the population data, and click on Next. Here, we are telling the software to create a new data series, but you can use this process to overwrite a data series or merge two data sets together. Then we click on Finish, and that import starts and finishes very quickly. So now to show you that we've imported some data, we can lasso an area and let go. And right away you will see that the population data here shows that in our lassoed area, we have about 8 million people living there. So let's click on Close, and now let's right-click on a territory and click on Territory Properties. And here you will also see that this entire territory has a population of 1.5 million. And there you go. You've just learned how to import the third-party data into AlignMix.